How to fix Apple Intelligence and Siri not speaking out. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Siri when it's not speaking out loud, especially with the new Apple Intelligence features rolling out. With Siri becoming more powerful thanks to AI upgrades, it's great to see more useful capabilities, but sometimes these updates come with small issues, like Siri not responding with voice even when everything else seems to be working fine. If you're someone who relies on Siri for hands-free help or accessibility, this can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, getting Siri to speak again is actually pretty simple. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Siri in Search to open Siri's settings. Now tap on Siri Responses from the list of options. Here, you'll see a few response settings. What you want to do is tap on Prefer Spoken Responses. This tells Siri to always respond with voice when possible, whether you're using headphones, speakers, or your phone's built-in audio. Once that's turned on, go ahead and test it out. Let's try it. Hey Siri, what day is today? And just like that, Siri is back to speaking out responses. This small setting is often overlooked, but it's key to getting the full voice experience with the new Apple Intelligence-powered Siri. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes. I'll see you in the next one.